Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to navigate through the AI edit for videos on Honor 600 Pro. First, let's go into Photos and choose our video. Then press on AI edit. And here you have many options. You have cut, trim, crop, speed, rotate. You have filters you can choose from. Like so. You can put a text on the screen. Change the font of it. The style to italic or bold. You can add an animation to it. Is that this? We can also add effects, like so. Add effect. We can add this one, for example. You can add stickers and music. But for now, we'll just add the effect, then export. And this is the finished video. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.